yours.
Oh, no fair.
Huh? Ooh.
How come Lily gets all the cool stuff and all I have is trash? Ew.
Ooh.
Maybe I can do something with this. I'm going to take this slimy balloon and shape it into a ball. Then I'll grab a glue gun with colored glue and make a fun shape. I'll add more glue to the center and then place my slime-filled balloon on top of it. Cool! Now I have a fun fidget toy phone case like Lily's. Hey! I can't believe Lily. Huh?
I have an idea.
First, cover the toilet paper roll with scrap paper. Then, draw a house with a ruler on another sheet of paper. After cutting it out, grab the tube and fit it through the window of the house. Draw a fun face on the balloon. Then put the balloon in the tube and pull the other end. Now you have a squishy stress toy.
Cute.
Just like Lily's. Aw, I wish I had an Orby stress toy. Ooh, let's try making one. Grab a sheet protector and scrap paper, then cut them into a fun shape. Use a flat iron to seal the edges. Pull the paper out and put Orbeez in it. Seal the rest of the plastic and you're done. Ooh! I made my own Orby stress toy! A squishy toy! I have an idea! Let's cut the sponge and shape it into a donut. Then paint it pink for the frosting. Time for some sprinkles! Now I've got a squishy donut!
Lily, can I have one? No.
Hey, watch it! Ooh, I got one!
Ooh. Oh, gross. Oh.
Wait! Balloons! I think I can do something with these. First, fill balloons with a little air. Then grab a bowl and fill it with water. Put the balloons in it and wash them with soap. Dry them up.
This should work just the same. Ooh!
A chalkboard. Maybe I could use these. I've got a Ziploc bag and scrap paper. Let's flatten it out. Paint the paper with lots of colors. Fill the Ziploc bag with black paint. And seal the bag. Now spread the black paint. Pull the sides of the bag to frame the paper and tape it down. Tape another sheet of paper to the back. And tape the frame to the front. Now I've got my own chalkboard. How fun! Lily's got wacky tracks.
Wow, that's so cool.
What can I use?
This should do the trick.
Grab colorful straws and cut them into small pieces. Grab a pipe cleaner and put the straw pieces on it. Twist the ends together. And now I've got my own wacky tracks.
It's just like Lily's. These can be bracelets. Hey Lily, you can have this.
Fine. Oh, I guess we could share.
Thanks. Hi everyone, thanks for watching.